Good morning. Or wait, it's not morning, it's afternoon, friends. How is everybody? Happy New Year. I got another video out for this week, and I am going to show you a very simple, easy thing to can that you can put up on your pantry and doesn't take long at all. We are going to be making cranberry juice. Now, I have already washed and rinsed these cranberries. I've washed all my mason jars and sanitized them along with the lids and the rings, and I wanted to take you along and show you what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start off by putting about a cup to a cup and a half of cranberries in each jar. I dehydrated some cranberries earlier in the week as well, and so I have those all sealed and put away, maybe to make some muffins or to add into oatmeal, who knows. But I still have a couple more bags of cranberries, and if I don't use them, I'll just go ahead and put them in my freezer and preserve them that way until I can figure out what to do with them versus them going bad. I'm using a half a cup because these are not wide mouth jars. These are my regular size, so I'm going to put 3 scoops of these in here. Yep. All right. So once you have the jars filled, all right, I have 7 quarts all filled up. And now my next step is I'm going to come in with some water, and I use my filtered water. You can use your tap water. This is a little warm because I kind of mixed them both. And we're going to fill the jars up and leave about an inch head space in each jar. I'm probably going to have to refill my pitcher here. Yep, I got to refill this. I'll be right back, friends. All right, we're down to our last 2 jars to fill. So I have 7 quarts of cranberry juice that I will put up on my pantry shelf. I did the same process with my Concord grapes over the summertime, and I have made that. And when I open it up, I put it in, and I do add a little bit of sugar or honey, whatever you want to sweeten it, because it is going to need to have a little sweetener. Let me grab a napkin, paper towel really quick. I just want to make sure and wipe the rims. I did check everything to make sure there were no like nicks or anything in them. All right. So now with that, I'm going to come over here, and I have all my lids and everything that have been soaking. I have become a super big fan of 4-jar lids. I am so impressed with the way they seal. And I want you to just look at the back of it. It's a lot wider rim, and there's much more thickness for it to seal. And I think that's what gives it such a good seal rate. And I can compare that to the other jars. And no, I'm not affiliated with 4 jars. I just, if I find something that I like, then I'm gonna let people know about it. And these are the jars, these are the lids that I do like. So I wanna share that with you. So let me finish getting all this sealed up. Whoops, here. And I'm gonna need to get another lid. So I did too many wide mouth and not enough of the regular mouth, which I have right here. I'm not worried about it. We're just gonna let those soak in there for a few minutes. Then we're gonna come in and put our lids on, our rings. That ring isn't working good enough for me, so let's go here. And I'm just going to hand tighten these, okay? You don't want to really tighten them. We're just going to hand tighten them. here we are gonna move over and place these in our canner. I got rid of my big water bath canner, so I use my pressure canner to water bath in because it fits the jars. And that's all I need. I need it just to go in here and fit the jars. Makes it that simple. All right, now we're gonna come back. Let me finish these 2 jars up so we can get this going. Put those on. We'll put that into the canner. Okay, I think I put just enough water in there so it doesn't overflow. I think I did the right amount. I'm gonna get a new ring out and just soak it in the hot water just for a few seconds. Everything's clean and sanitized, but I always do this. We'll put it in. The last jar can go in. Perfect. And these are gonna water bath can once they come to a boil for 25 minutes. And I will show you what they look like when I come back. All right, friends, they are out. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's already changing the color. We're gonna set them down. I always put my jars on a towel. Oh, they're just so pretty, look. So hey, I hope you liked this video. An easy, simple way to make your own cranberry juice right in your own home. You know exactly what's getting put into it, and it is so delicious. I encourage you all to try this at home, and let me know if you've ever done it before down in the comments, or if you plan to do it, and share with me when you do. All right, I am gonna run, friends. Now it's supper time. I gotta get my dinner going. So be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye from the Piedmont.